Hello guys, welcome back to NX Game 1000, and today we're going to be unboxing the Thrustmaster TH8S shifter add-on. This shifter works with PS5, PS4, Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One and PC for all you PC gamers. So let's get into it.
Oh my god!
You have a cable, and you have another cable. I must say this shifter is very heavy duty. This shifter has 7 gears and a separate reverse gear. Here are some fun facts about the new TH8S shifter. The TH8S is compatible with all Thrustmaster force feedback steering wheels. The TH8S has 7 different gears with a separate reverse gear, which is really good, in my opinion. There are 2 cables that come with the shifter. Its simple tool-free clamping system for all types of cables and desks have a 0.04/1.6 thickness. Its knob is 6.1 centimeters long. The TH8S is the baby brother to the TH8A. It does not have a dedicated sequential mode, but there are many mods that can do just as good, or the same thing. That's going to be the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will be dropping a review video. Merry Christmas. Bye. Hit that. And Merry Christmas. Bye.